build some of the application. Okay, but if you want to drastically change you want to change the many core facilities, or you customize the software, in that case you have to be developed with the help of platform as a service. For an example, like Salesforce.com, which I already discussed. Salesforce.com gives the certain application development tool. Means you may develop certain application at the level of software as a service. But if you want to customize the software, in that case you have to be use the platform as a service of Salesforce.com, which is the Force.com, and which is I already discussed in the platform as a service. So here is the SuiteFlex is an application development platform. What it consists? Suite Builder. It consists of Suite Builder, Suite Scripting programming environment, Suite Talk, and Suite Script Debug. What is the Suite Builder? Suite Builder is a rapid application development facility building the user interface online. If you want to develop a user interface, in that case you use the Suite Builder Rapid. Suite Script. Suite Script is a programming environment, is a programming language modeled on JavaScript. It is a scripting language built on the JavaScript. Suite Talk, where it is a web service which allow access to the NetSuite data through the SOAP API. You may access the services with the help of SOAP. Suite Script Debug. It is an interactive debugger facility, and it is for the live troubleshooting. Suite Bundler is an application deployment tools, allows developer to easy productize, package, and deliver a solution. It is for the bundling the software. SuiteApp.com. SuiteApp.com is a NetSuite online solution directory which acts as a marketplace for the third-party developer to sell their NetSuite extension and layered functionality. After that is another CRM. It is the Sugar CRM. What is the Sugar CRM? It is an open source software solution based on the LAMP stack of the Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP that includes the Salesforce automation, marketing campaigns, customer support, and collaboration and reporting facility. It is very easy and cheap to build SaaS solution on the top of IES by downloading the product and installing it on the virtual machine. And in fact, there are already many pre-packaged machines that have Sugar CRM with the base configuration ready for the deployment. So today we will stop here, and in the next topic we will learn about the human resources. After that, another thing which you want to manage in your startup or any business or any organization is the human resource. As you know, human resource is the important factors for any organization. So you have to be manage the human, and there are some of the things which you want to be maintain for your human resources, like their performance, their leaves, their benefits, their incentive, lots of things associated with the human resources. So here are the some of the cloud SaaS platform which is for the managing human resources. First one is the Workday. Workday is a SaaS platform which is used to manage the human resources. So what are the features of the Workday? It has a module absence, and what the absence does? Absence allow the visibility of the occurred vacation and facility for the registering planned leaves of the absence. Means if anyone wants to apply for the leave and you want to manage the leaves, in that case Workday has a module absence and it manage with the help of this module. There are another module, that is the compensation, and what the compensation manage, it manage the salary, equity, benefits and allowances as well as the bonuses based on the both employee performance and business performance. Another module, benefit, include health. It is for the health facility mainly, like medical, dental, vision. You want to be manage the health, in that